E hia kēnei ngā whānau kei te wehe atu I o rātou kāinga I o tautahi ki te kimi a huru mō wai mō rātou nā te mataku me te hōhā I ngā rū whenua. Ko te whānau rongonui, tētahi o ngā whānau I mauake I te karare, e whai ake nei ko te pūrongo a Mikey Sherman.
Prime Minister John Key.
Kua whakarerea te wā kāinga, engari kaore I tawhiti ngā mahara.
It just started to shake rapidly. At this time, my flatmate and my brother-in-law in the other room, in the living room, shouting my name out, and everything was just falling all around me.
Kua te kaumārua tau te whānau rongonui e noho ana ki o tautahi, he oi kua pau te hau, kua hōhā, nōna nahi nei I wehe mai ai rātou I tō rātou kāinga, ka tae mai ki te papa I o ia.
We felt relieved that we were all together, but at the same time, there's that little amount of guilt that we're not staying behind to help.
Kei Redcliffe te whānau whare o Andrea Ma, he wāhi kua whakawātea hia nā te mōrearea o ngā horo whenua.
When we pulled up to our house, I mean, it was a million times worse than what I thought it was. Like it's completely wrecked, and that was hard. I mean, you know, we pulled up and it was pretty emotional.
I te wā o te rū, I te kura ngā tama, I te kōhanga ngā pēpē, ko rātou te aronga matua.
We could hear the road cracking as we drove over the road. You could hear it cracking underneath you, and there was no way I was stopping. I was just like, we're going to keep going.
I started running. I actually ran half the rest of the way to the CPIT to get my kids. And there was other people doing the same.
Mō Teresa he tatari roa, I nā kua kātahi anō ia ka tau atu ki Waihopai.
All these thoughts are running through your head, and you know, by the time you've got 10 minutes into the journey, the story has spiralled out of control, and you're just thinking that something's really wrong with them.
E kore te whānau e hoki atu ki o tautahi I roto I te wā poto e tū mai nei, engari kei te whakaro nui kē ki te hūnuku mō ake tonu atu. Mikey Sherman, Te Karere.